Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix connection issues of your Jabra Elite 2 earbuds. If you have like unstable connection on, for example, you cannot pair them with your phone, iPhone, Android phone or Huawei, never mind, just grab both earbuds and put them back to this charging case. Before doing this simple process, you have to remember to charge your earbuds and the case for like 20 minutes. And we are going to perform the hard reset. So you have to click and hold these two buttons on the left and the right earbud and hold them. Hold them together until these indicators above my fingernails will start blinking purple. There we go, they blinks 3 times, and right now they will be simply into the pairing mode. So you can finally close this charging case, then open it and remove these earbuds from the case. Right now, click and hold on the left and the right, or you don't even have to, because after the reset, they move to the pairing mode automatically. So right now, take a look. When I go to the pair new device, I can find them on the list and I can simply connect them. Let's see if I'm connected or not. Okay, looks strange. There's no available devices on my phone. I think that's the problem with my phone actually, but when I go to this second device, take a look. Right here, I can click pair. And as you can see, I'm connected on my private phone. On this one, as you can see, something is wrong. There's like no nearby devices. So if you have the same issue like I have on this phone, I would recommend you to simply restart the Bluetooth settings, turn it on back, and then click to go for the pair new device. As you can see right now, we can find available devices around me. So, you know, sometimes the issue is like not in the buds or the Bluetooth wireless device. Sometimes it's problem with your phone. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.